Welcome LEGO fans, and especially welcome to Harry Potter fans. Today we have having a really quick look at this Harry Potter gift with purchase number 4452. Only 142 pieces, but if you look close to this little scene, it's really interesting to see in a tiny space how much you can fit. So this morning I went to my physical store in my town and I had to purchase this one, plus this one, plus this really pricey one, and a little bit of BrickHeadz. And yes, I have to spend a bit more, 100 euros or $100 to obtain and to gain this little beautiful set. So the real question is, does it worth it? Does it worth it to spend $100 or euros to obtain this set? And the quick answer is yes, it's good enough. It's good enough. It's not perfect, but for a gift, it's really good to please both collectors and maybe kids, because there's a little bit of playability, and also parents that come back from the store or from the shop with finally a free gift. Three things that makes me think it really worth it. The first one is this little thing has the same design as the 20th anniversary modular kind of set. So it's really good to be integrated in the Hogwarts castle with other little set that we have, like the polynectar mistake in the bathroom. The second thing is that you have some simple canopy bed. Very simple construction, but very smart as well, easy to reproduce, and a bit of inspiration to make your own version of Harry Potter dormitories or your own version of Harry Potter houses dormitory like Gryffindor, Hufflepuff and Slytherin. Third thing, you have this plate. It is removable and you can display all your chocolate frog cards or mystery wizard cards. If you collect them, there are 16 in all, and this set you have only 4. Alright, of course you have some doubles you have to deal with, but it's a nice kind of way to display it, I think so, and it's removable so you can still see plenty of rooms. And fun fact, they finally correct the mistake they have done on the instructions. At the end you have always a summary of all chocolate frogs, and there were a mistake about Ravenclaw that had the same picture than Gary Gryffindor. So that's finally corrected. One thing that could be better, I think, is these two minifigures. Why? Because we have already seen them in different sets from 2018 and 2019 in the Whomping Willow and For Private Drive. LEGO could make an effort and, for example, provide a pyjama to Harry Potter that we have seen in the collectible minifigure Series 1. Two little things that bother me a little bit is the black line due to this piece that makes the plate slide. Maybe they could have provided the different colors that could fit better in the set. And second thing, we have these ugly gray little pins. Okay, if you are a really big fan of the bricks and Harry Potter, of course you need this gift. Of course you need it. You will desire it. And I believe this is not a must-have like the Monster Book of Monster was. But you can live without it, but it's good to have it. So if you were planning to buy Harry Potter for Christmas, there's no reason to avoid this gift with purchase, especially if you want to pair it with the Hogwarts Castle Chamber of Secrets 20th anniversary set. But wait! Yeah, well, what happened? It's already out of stock on the LEGO shop online. What happened? Oh yeah, I know, this is because of the VIP double points week operation of last week. It ran out of stock, but I'm confident it will be restocked very soon for Christmas. But don't worry, you can go for this excellent set, Hogsmeade Village Visit, and there's few other little boxes also, like the Polynectar Potion. This is a great set for 20 bucks. It's really awesome, and you can pair it and combine it. So the promotion started on the 25th of October and it goes for 2 weeks. So you're not in a worry, but I think the stock will end in 4 or 5 days, maybe more in the stores. And the promotion ends on the 7th of November. So please tell us in the comment why you don't really care about this dormitory, or on the contrary, why this is a must-have for you, and explain us why you desire, you want it, and why it is mandatory for you. And if you like what you've seen, what you've heard, and if you want more of this, you know what to do, you know what to do. So enjoy your building experience.